Okay, so this is going to be sort of one of our little 2-minute tool reviews. This Temco company reached out to me, so this is sort of an honest review. They sent it to me. I didn't pay for it, but still an honest opinion. Have you ever had to get in the bed of this truck, right? And you have a trailer, for some reason you can't open this. You try to reach over, so instead you step on here. Yeah, and yes, I'm in my Lebowski shoes, okay? You miss, you fall, you crunch your nuts. This is a step. We're gonna take this hitch off, right, the receiver. We're going to slide it on, comes with a little lockdown bolt. That's gonna give us a step. The idea is the step is dropped down a little bit, so you can step on that step, and then you can reach in and get in the bed of your truck. It's a cool concept, let's put it on. I can tell you without mounting it that my honest opinion is that it is built well. So we'll actually put it on and see if it works well too. So let's go. Okay, so you can see, got it slid in, got the pin in, went ahead and cinched this up, which, right, pushes on there, pushes on there. Now, I don't know if this is a side effect. Step is solid now, right? Not going anywhere, but look what else it does. Have you ever had that receiver just wobble in there to the point where that thing gets really loose, or it's just loose all the time and it's sloppy? It's not sloppy anymore. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and stand up and we'll show this thing off. Okay, right, bed of the truck. Now, yeah, I have the cap on it, but I have, in times, used this. Got the trailer on there. I stood on here, put my foot on here, right, now, oh. Not bad. I mean, right, it's giving you an extra place to step and get up in the truck. And if you've got a trailer assembly, right, on your ball, you're stepping over, you can, that no problem. You can use it, still get to these points, no problem. So, I don't know, what do you think? I like the fact it comes with the lockdown, which reduces the slop in this, and it really installs with one tool. Just get a adjustable wrench, throw it on there, good to go. It's powder coated, thick steel construction. This is all solid, that was solid, came with everything you needed. Take a look. I'll put a link in the description, and you guys, you pack out.